Hello there and welcome to this exciting course on building a context store using the SAP HANA Vector DB. Not only that, we also see the full pipeline as to how to build a RAG on the SAP HANA Vector DB, and we'll see each and every piece of it in a very contained experiment. We're going to check what happens when you ask a company specific question to a RAG pipeline running on the HANA Vector database and the Claude LLM. Let's go ahead. I'm going to punch in this question. Now we're doing this without the grounding, and let's see how Claude performs. Let's see. So to assess whether a firm can sustain operations, I need to know all these things, right? Now let's try this with the grounding. The same question, now it's going to actually ping the HANA database before going and hitting the LLM. There you go. First it's going to go to the HANA database and then it goes to the Claude. And now you see that we actually get a answer. Not only that, we also get the package which was sent to the Claude along with the proper metadata, along with the actual chunk, and also the cosine similarity search score. So all of this information is going to the LLM, and that's how it's reasoning, and that's how it's able to answer us so clearly, very specific to the context we maintain. So really good stuff. And this is exactly what we're going to be doing in this course, and you're going to be building this entire vector store and the RAG pipeline from scratch. So you're going to design the context store and build the schema. You're going to configure the HNSW vector index. We're going to insert the chunks. You're going to test the cosine similarity search. We'll also see a bit of context lifecycle management, where we retire outdated knowledge and update the context store with correct knowledge. So once the context store is built, we're going to be switching gears and coming to Python and using the Jupyter notebooks as the orchestration layer. So it's fully up and ready for you to use. All you have to do is enter your credentials. And before we actually do all these things, we will take a look at the fundamental concepts from a first principle perspectives about what are vectors, how does cosine similarity work, what is the importance of chunking, how does the index be useful, and things like that. Really exciting stuff. It's a really short course, so every minute pays. So you get away with a context store, a RAG pipeline, a working chat application, which you can also use on your end. So really exciting stuff. It also comes with learning aids, so you have quizzes and assignments and things like that. So I'll see you inside, and happy learning.